every week we'll be bringing you cruelty-free makeup tutorials. However, this again is not a makeup tutorial. I thought it would be fun to give a little info about who we are and what this channel is and a little bit of our background, considering that a lot of our subscribers are local, but we do have subscribers in like India and the UK and like all over the world that we don't really know, and they don't know us, who we are. So I thought it'd be fun to do a little Q&A video today. So if you want to get to know a little bit about who we are, why we started this channel, like where we're going with it and what our beliefs are, then keep on watching.
Yes.
Keep watching. I dragged Kaylee here under duress because I feel like, why should I ask myself questions? And also Kaylee does pretty much all the work on this channel. I'm who you see, but really she's the one that does the work. So I feel like, you know, you should get to know her as well. When I'm wearing makeup today at all,
like
you're wearing like a little bit.
Like, but literally like.
But we're not wearing nothing. But also, I say to Kaylee, like, we gotta embrace the fact that we don't always wear makeup. Also, you've come a long way. You don't always feel the need to wear makeup out like you used to.
No.
If this was 3 years ago and I told you you'd be on camera with no makeup,
I'd be like, hell no.
Yeah.
Also, just on camera.
Exactly. Yeah, you know. So like, we also try to embrace like our own skin and like, you know, using makeup to enhance what we already have.
Or like later on.
Anyway, let's get into this video. So basically, a backstory. Kaylee used to always tell me like, oh, I love your makeup, and like, why don't we start a YouTube channel? Like, this was a long time ago.
I'm also super addicted to watching YouTube videos of people doing makeup. And so is Jodie.
Yeah, so Kelly always used to tell me like, let's do this, and then I was just like, no, I'm shy, like really. If you watch my videos. But anyway, Kaylee convinced me to do it, and it was a nice way for us to spend more time together. And like, Kaylee obviously loves filming and watching makeup, and I love makeup, and so then that's just how this channel came about. And also, like, we were very passionate. We had recently gone cruelty-free, and like in South Africa there's not a lot of YouTubers to begin with, makeup YouTubers and cruelty-free YouTubers, so we're like, why don't we combine this love? And that's how our channel started.
Yeah.
Do you have anything else to say on that topic?
It's fun.
It's fun.
It is fun, and I studied film, so I get to like practice what I learned. Even though I'm not like a cinematographer or an editor, I only know the basics.
Yeah.
Like, I specialize in film producing, but I think it's really important for me to know how to film and how to edit. And it's also interesting because I come from a school where they gave us all the stuff. Like, if we film, we have all the equipment, all the software, like everything, and then we had nothing. And it's so hard making good, like, pretty videos.
Yeah, like quality.
With no lights, with not a lot of like great editing software and things. So it's been a big learning curve, but a fun one. Like, I feel like we've improved.
Yeah, definitely. If you're an OG subscriber, comment down below. And
Lauren and Erin.
Yeah, let us know what you think, because the first time we filmed in literally a closet and we strapped like cell phone lights to the tripod because we had no lights, and then I've moved houses like 3 times since then. Now we have lights. Also, your editing style has changed a lot. You've learned a lot. Like, the quality of our videos is amazing. The pop-ups are amazing. Like, you've learned a lot. So
still learning. We still have a lot of things in the works for our upcoming videos.
So I will ask you then, what advice do you have for somebody that wants to go cruelty-free, and like how they can start the process?
Me,
yes.
Just research, I think, a lot, because there's a lot of brands that say they're cruelty-free and they're not cruelty-free.
Yeah.
So, and it also depends about going cruelty-free, because some people have different views on what's cruelty-free.
Yeah.
So like Jodie and I agreed. So I went cruelty-free because Jodie brought it to my attention, and you learned about cruelty-free because you went vegetarian.
Yes, that's how I started this whole process.
So like, we support brands that are cruelty-free and they don't ship to China, because China, by their laws, whatever brands of makeup and beauty items and cosmetics they sell there by law have to test on animals. So if a company ships their makeup there but they're cruelty-free everywhere else, China tests the makeup for them on animals. So we don't support brands that do that. We support brands that don't sell to China. But that being said, there are some brands whose parent companies aren't cruelty-free. So for instance, NYX is cruelty-free. They don't ship to China, but their parent company is L'Oreal. And unfortunately, most cruelty-free brands, especially in South Africa, are owned by non-cruelty-free parent companies. So if we have to go completely cruelty-free, we'd have nothing to buy. We'd only buy Urban Decay, and they're like expensive.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and I think definitely, like, just building on what you said, do your research and have a look at companies that are going to give you proper information. For example, Cruelty-Free Kitty, that is a great website to check out. Leaping Bunny. Yeah, Leaping Bunny.
Peter.
Yes. Those 3 websites will give you a concise information. They will tell you, here are the brands for hair products, here are the brands for skin products, here's the makeup brands, and they will give you a whole list and breakdown. There's a page on Cruelty-Free Kitty that will tell you why you should go cruelty-free, like the research. Like, we're not going to get into the whole research because that will take a long time, but they give you like all the information about how labs were started, what kind of animals are tested on, like the whole reasons why you should go cruelty-free. And definitely you're welcome to email me. I have got a whole Excel spreadsheet with a whole bunch of brands that I've built up over time that are cruelty-free, or check out those websites online to get a list of cruelty-free brands. Okay, now just a little bit of information about who we are as people, maybe. Most money ever spent on makeup?
Probably when I went to Cannes.
Yeah.
Which isn't a lot for me. I buy like things one at a time.
Yeah.
So I don't even remember. I think we spent like
$6 grand together.
Total, so probably about 3 each.
Yeah. The most I ever spent, I think, was once when I was still doing a lot of clients and stuff. It was like $5 grand.
Okay, but that's justifiable because you're a makeup artist. It's what you used to do on clients.
Okay, 5 famous people to invite to dinner. Who would you invite? Zoom in on Gailey's face. Doesn't know what to do with herself.
Definitely Gerard Way.
Okay.
From My Chemical Romance, because I'm a huge fan.
Yes, definitely. Just stare at him the whole dinner long. Jeffree Star.
Yeah, let's do Jeffree Star. Then I'm gonna throw in Shane Dawson if we're doing. Yeah, he's funny.
Oh, he'd be hilarious.
Then I'd probably do like someone famous, like just Leonardo DiCaprio.
Leo, yeah.
And
another humanitarian.
They're all male. Let's throw a powerful female in there.
If I could bring Marilyn Monroe back from the dead, she would be at my dinner. Good or bad driver? Bad. We're both horrible. Yeah. Horrible drivers. If my dad didn't get my car fixed,
mine has dents in it.
Yeah, they both look horrible. Okay, movies or reading? Movies, reading. Yeah. Okay. Currently listening to favorite artist you're listening to at the moment.
My favorite playlist.
Okay.
It's the Riverdale playlist.
Ah.
Don't laugh at me. It's my guilty pleasure show. It's terrible. So I love it. But the soundtrack's really good.
Okay, that's good to know. I always like movie soundtracks. I'm listening to currently the new Panic at the Disco album. And the new Bullet for My Valentine album. I like alternate between those two. Bullet for My Valentine, I feel like is so, I wanted to say underprivileged. What is it? Underrated?
Underappreciated?
Underappreciated, yes. They've got so many good ballads and then like rock and then like their harmonies are, it's just amazing. You should go and listen to it. What about which TV characters would we be? What people think we are?
Someone awkward and strange.
Who would Kaylee be?
You're gonna say someone
Comment
rude.
below if you think it was Kaylee. I know who I would be, definitely.
Who?
Phoebe. From Friends.
That's accurate.
Because she's just fucking,
I mean, she's crazy.
Yeah, really quirky and crazy, and we're both veggie and blonde and, let's be honest, a bit dumb.
Yeah, I feel like maybe it'd be a combination of people that I can't think of at the top of my head.
Yes. Worst grade we ever got on a test.
It was the same. I bet you it was like
maths test.
Or it was like business. Not business, it was EMS in grade 9.
Everyone, get out the lessons, Jodie and Kelly.
I think I got 45% for a term.
Okay, I can top you on that. Grade 9 maths simplifying. Still didn't get it. The only thing she decided to give me right for the test was my name.
Don't lie.
Alright, cat or dog people? Duh.
Cat.
Both cat people.
Like my phone cover.
Oh, yes.
Sensible.
And I just saw a picture of Taylor Swift wearing a cat jersey that I really need. It's very cute. Celebrity crush. I feel like we both have the same one. Gerard Way. And...
Which, we know he's not typically handsome. He's ugly. But he's ugly
in a very hot way.
so...
Also Justin Bieber, which is not yours, but... You know,
mine.
but for me, oh, and Zac Efron, and we have the same birthday. Like that means nothing. All the questions I can think of.
Great.
I don't know why I wrote down, can you whistle?
No.
And that's like, wow guys, I can whistle, so you should watch me.
But
on
can
YouTube.
you even?
Not really. Let me try. Yes, I can. I hope that sort of gave you a little bit of Betty. I hope that gave you a better idea about who we are behind the camera. You're like, now that we know, and subscribe. Don't, because it's really fun here and we like to be ourselves.
Yes.
That's all we've got going for us.
That's literally it.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like more Q&A videos or like Q&A videos about a certain topic, or you'd like fun, embarrassing story time videos, because we got a lot of those, then let us know. But this was a really fun, different type of video to do.
Thumbs up this video, subscribe to our channel, and
share the cruelty-free love.
bye.
Bye!